Hello everyone, my name is Xuân Phúc. He is a bird. He is blue, green,
red,
red,
and
yellow. He can fly and it can sing. It can
read
read
and
and
write,
write,
but
but it can talk.
what
What is it?